Hey guys, the iTunes man back here, and today we're going to be unboxing these Cowin E7 wireless headphones and doing some audio tests maybe of it too, so let's get started. Here's where you just open it like this, so let's get started. Take a look at the progress. Okay. There we go, we got it open. So now let's go ahead and set the scissors aside and see what's inside. So as you can tell in the box, we've got these little Cowin things. Nothing on the sides, wow. And then we've got some stuff on the back here, so now let's go ahead and unbox these. These are noise canceling too, and they're Bluetooth. We finally got it open, so we've got some instruction manuals here. Ooh, warranty card, wow. Yeah, warranty with this. Ooh, nice bag. Oh, and here we got the headphones. Ugh. Chrome, that's gonna scratch easily. Let me just put these on my head and see how they feel. Wow. These feel great. We get our charging cable too, but now let's go ahead and open up our phone. My father's phone. Yours is for him. And go ahead and we're going to go into Bluetooth now. Go ahead and activate. I'm gonna have to find the button here. here. Not coming up here for some reason. How to repair these? I guess I'll go ahead and end this clip and see and try to get these paired. Audio tested the earbuds right here. I'm playing no copyright music. But you can't really hear it, but as you can tell, you get like some buttons here, and this is the on and off switch right here. And the micro USB cable, as well as this headphone cable. So please follow me on Twitter, iTunes Fanboy IT. Please follow me on Instagram at the iTunes Fanboy. Please no spam followers. Please subscribe to this channel as well as my other channel, Fanboy Global Productions. Take precautions with COVID-19 and peace out.